Good afternoon. My name is Jude Rosenau. This is case study 6, analyzing a knee brace strap in a downward descent of stairs. Going into the simulation setup, I have roller sliders on either side, as well as a bearing fixture and a bearing load. And I'm loading the strap in compression, simulating taking that force through the strap. Um, Taking into account for the dynamic loading effect, we use 3.5 times the body weight. However, in testing, the strap takes roughly 20% of this load, so that left us with around 700 newtons in our bearing load. For the mesh, I used H adaptive to assure a accurate mesh and got down to error of one less than 1.5%. Getting into our results, we are far away from yielding, and displacement is negligible. And for our fatigue, I ran a fatigue study, and we are well above the failure line as load factors less than 1 indicate failure, and we're around 12. I did a fatigue check plot as well, and that gave us a minimum factor of minimum safety factor of 3.3, which is above the 2 as requested. However, there are some shortcomings with this simulation. Um, Verification is difficult as the tables that we have to look at stress concentrations themselves, usually one in the middle of the part and two not with other ones around it. And so that was difficult in the time allotted. Additionally, the simulation doesn't simulate buckling how we would expect this to buckle. Um, and so that would need validation and further testing, which moving forward, we cannot, in good conscience, recommend the off-the-shelf product without performing validation. Our simulation says it's a go for now, but things tend to work different in reality when you're trying to set up simulations. Thank you.